Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you. In this fast-paced and hectic world, finding simplicity in our lives has become more important than ever. So, we've compiled a list of 50 rules for a simple life. Let's dive in. Prioritize what truly matters. Identify what brings you joy and fulfillment, and focus your time and energy on those things. Connect with nature regularly. Take walks, go hiking, or simply spend time in green spaces to recharge and find peace. Nourish your body with wholesome food. Eat nutritious meals made from fresh, unprocessed ingredients. Cultivate mindfulness and inner peace. Practice meditation, yoga, or any activity that helps you be present at the moment. Declutter your living space. Get rid of items you no longer need or use, and create an environment that promotes calmness. Surround yourself with positive people who support and inspire you. Embrace the joy of simple pleasures. Find happiness in small things like cuddling with your pet or enjoying a hot cup of tea. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Limit your screen time. Disconnect from technology and spend quality time engaging in offline activities. Give back to your community. Engage in acts of kindness and support causes you believe in. We're halfway through our list. Let's continue. Slow down and savor the present moment. Avoid rushing through life and appreciate the journey. Keep learning and growing. Challenge yourself to acquire new knowledge or develop new hobbies. Take regular breaks from social media. Unplug and reconnect with the world beyond the screen. Read more. Get lost in the pages of a good book and let your imagination soar. Practice self-care. Take time for relaxation, pampering, and doing activities that recharge your batteries. Set goals and make a plan. Having a clear direction in life helps simplify decision-making and focus your efforts. Create meaningful connections. Nurture relationships with loved ones and make time for quality interactions. Take care of the environment. Reduce waste, recycle, and be mindful of your ecological footprint. Embrace minimalism. Simplify your possessions and focus on experiences rather than material things. Step out of your comfort zone. Embrace new experiences and embrace the growth that comes with it. We're making great progress. Let's keep going. Practice self-reflection. Take time to assess your values, goals, and actions, and make adjustments as needed. Manage your finances wisely. Create a budget, save, and spend mindfully. Cultivate meaningful connections with loved ones. Invest time and effort into building and maintaining strong relationships. Maintain a gratitude practice. Cultivate a positive mindset by acknowledging and appreciating the good in your life. Explore new places. Travel, visit new cities, and immerse yourself in different cultures to expand your horizons. Write regularly. Journaling helps clarify your thoughts, process emotions, and gain insights into your own life. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that promote your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Foster face-to-face connections. Spend quality time with friends and family, engaging in activities that create lasting memories. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, forgive your mistakes, and treat yourself with love and understanding. Connect with nature. Gardening or spending time outdoors can be therapeutic and help you find balance. We're down to our last 20 rules. Let's finish strong. Be present. Cultivate mindfulness in your daily life, focusing on the here and now. Explore your creativity. Engage in artistic pursuits that bring you joy and allow self-expression. Plan regular breaks. Take time off to relax and rejuvenate, whether it's a staycation or a dream vacation. Prioritize physical health. Engage in regular exercise that suits your lifestyle and keeps you fit and energized. Embrace curiosity. Stay curious about the world around you and never stop seeking knowledge. Practice minimalism in your belongings. Simplify your life by decluttering and letting go of unnecessary possessions. Cherish moments with loved ones. Make time for shared experiences and create lasting memories together. Cultivate strong communication skills. Listen actively, express yourself clearly, and build meaningful connections. Share meals with others. Gather around the table and enjoy the nourishment of good food and good company. Learn something new. Challenge yourself with a new skill or hobby that brings you joy and personal growth. We've made it to the last 10 rules. Let's wrap it up. Find time for self-reflection. Take a step back to evaluate your progress, goals, and values regularly. Give back to your community. Support causes that are close to your heart and make a positive impact. Embrace childlike wonder. Find joy in the little things and nurture your curiosity and imagination. Visualize your goals. Create a vision board or use other visualization techniques to manifest your dreams. Take care of your mental health. Prioritize self-care and seek support when needed. Practice effective time management. Prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and make time for what truly matters. Appreciate the beauty of nature. Spend time outdoors and let the serenity of natural surroundings inspire you. Cultivate gratitude. Each day, express appreciation for the blessings in your life, no matter how small. Embrace the joy of simple pleasures. Find delight in everyday moments and cultivate a positive mindset. And finally, rule number 50, enjoy life. Laugh, have fun, and make the most of every precious moment. That concludes our list of 50 rules for a simple life. I hope you found these suggestions helpful and inspiring. Remember, simplicity is not about deprivation but about finding fulfillment in the little things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay simple and stay happy.